founder and CEO of Flight Club VIP, and I am here to talk to you about the amazing luxury travel planner that we have created for you all. The Dream Without Limits travel planner will be just what you need to plan your upcoming trips. What we're going to go over today is the actual planner, what's inside, and what you can expect when you receive it in the mail. First things first, it's the packaging. We have all of our planners inside of our beautiful mailer packaging, unless you have a bundle box, and then if you have the bundle, you will be receiving upgraded packaging. So once you open up inside, first thing you'll find is going to be the actual keepsake box. The keepsake box can be used for multiple reasonings and ways. One is if you have any photos you want to keep from your trips, postcards, stamps, anything of that nature, you can keep it inside of here. What I've done for this beautiful trip, as you can see, is I just kept my planner inside of it. This is how it's going to come packaged anyway, so I kept mine inside to keep it protected while I travel. But of course, once I get home, I'm going to be switching this up some. Once you open up inside, you will have your planner. You will also have your stickers if you upgrade to purchase our stickers as well. So let's look really quickly at the stickers. There's going to be a total of 4 sheets you'll receive. There are going to be some different sayings along with pop culture, just fun things along with traveling like yacht life. You see vacation in there, slaycation, cool little names like that. And also for those who are big organizers, we've got you covered as well. These arrows, we've got check marks, things to be to help you with your to-do list as you count down to your trip. Now let's take a look at the actual planner. What you see, what I did here is, because of course I can't go without my Dream Without Limits globe-trotting pen. There's a globe, close your eyes, tap wherever you want to go. But for this trip, we are already on site. So what I'm going to do is just show you the inside of it with this pen. One other thing I'd also love to share with you is we don't have a cap top, because we know that when you have a cap on pens, let's be honest, we lose it sometimes. So this is going to be a twist pen so that you can keep it safe and sound, and you just untwist it when you need to actually start writing. All right, let's get started. First thing you're going to see also on the front side is going to be this elastic band. This is a bookmark. So right now I'm on site on vacation. Just see, I'm trying to remember what's in my agenda for the next couple of days. I can already have it bookmarked to those pages so I can easily access it at any point in time. Let's see, I'm even here on vacation and I'm planning trip number 2 because yes, a lot of us are getting back to travel right now. I can have it bookmarked already on trip number 2 for me. Another great thing to keep in mind when it comes to planning multiple trips is inside this over 150-page travel planner, you can plan a total of 5 trips inside of this. Need to plan more? No worries. We do have an e-version that you can always print out and add pages to it if you like, or just get another fresh planner. So what you'll find to be able to identify each of your trips is going to be a bookmark. There's a bookmark for each trip that we're going to be planning. Then you can just tap on through, and each one starts with a different goal or an exciting travel quote to get you excited and energized as you get ready to plan your trip. Another good thing to keep in mind is the very back side. I love that we do have this slider here. It's going to be an inside envelope. That way, with this pocket, you can put in your boarding passes, any tickets, any receipts that you want to hold on to and not losing your trip, because we're all guilty of it, right? Losing inside our wallets, our purses, our beach bags. So now you've got a spot that you can hold onto this while you're traveling. So love the actual envelope and pocket we have in the back. But let's go ahead and turn back to the front of this. What I'd like to do is share with you what you can get inside of the planner. We do have our welcome letter that starts off at first, and of course at the very end it tells you we want to learn more about your adventures. How are you dreaming without limits? We want to see those bucket lists, see those travel goals. We want to see you actually using your planner. So we do have our hashtag, our Instagram handle at the bottom as well, so you can share those adventures with us, because we love to be able to share with other viewers as well. As we go inside for the table of contents, what you'll find here is we do have an information section, travel goals. We have financial planning, destination, research, reservations, checklists, calendar, and additional trip planners, which we just went over. So to take a deeper look into this, in the information section, you'll find personal information in case of emergency. We have foreign phrases. Just say you're in a country like I'm in Mexico right now. I want to know some of those keywords that I can use to get me through my trip in Spanish. I'll be able to find those in this planner. You can find French in here, so many other languages as well. And let's also be honest, in the States where I'm located, we use miles to gauge where we are and the distance to different places. In some places they use meters. So you can find in the Metrics Conversion Center and section in here the different ways you can look at measurements while you're traveling in different countries. Travel goals. I mentioned earlier bucket list. You can plan out all your bucket lists. Check off if a swim out pool in a suite is on your bucket list. List it here. If you want to stay in an overwater bungalow, you want to go to the coral reefs, you can see all of that, the Great Barrier Reef right here. Plan it out in your bucket list. We want to know about those travel goals. So let's take it a little bit deeper. Let's see your 1-year goal, 3, 5, 10-year goals. You can map out those bucket lists and those travel goals here as well. We do have travel affirmations as well. We're big on helping you speak it into existence. So we have travel affirmations here for you, a travel vision board. That's when those stickers can come in handy, or just any other pictures you have of those goals, trips that you want to plan in the future. So utilize your travel goals section for that. We have travel manifestations, and then yes, trip inspirations. I know I can't be the only one that loves to look at hashtags and Pinterest and other postings to get an idea of images I want to capture while I'm traveling. The different destinations like I'm in right now, any vloggers, any travel influencers, or just any of your friends that have traveled to a destination. You love the outfits, you love the shoots, the poses, anything, name it. You can map it all here in your trip inspiration section. Financial planning. A lot of times in our main business like Club VIP, a lot of people aren't always sure of what their travel budget should be. So we do have a section here that goes over budgeting and tips that we love to share with our clients to help you get an idea and just a starting point of where you can gauge how much you should budget for a trip. The buck doesn't stop there. We also have money challenges inside. One is a savings challenge. Another is a 52-week money challenge for those bigger trips to help you be able to plan those out to make sure that you are saving appropriately for those trips if you need that additional assistance to motivate you and get you through. We also have expense tracker. Yes, if you are a budgeter, you like to make sure that everything is dotted, crossed, and that you're staying in line with the budget you set for yourself. We do have an expense tracker here. If you're traveling for business, you can also use this expense tracker to be able to get an idea of what you're spending for your personal travel as well as for your business travel. Also one thing we share with our clients, if you don't really know your budget and you know you want to begin to travel more, being able to track everything in this expense tracker can help you to get an idea of how much you actually spend on excursions, how much have you spent on your accommodations, how much are you spending on getting little trinkets and souvenirs. You can map it all out here to get an idea of how you want to spend for your trips in the future as you're going through trip number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, destination overview. As you're preparing for that destination, you can get an overview of that country, things you want to keep in mind, how long are you traveling there for, what's the language, going back to that metric system, and things you want to make sure you're checking off your list while you're there. You can keep track of all that in your overview in your destination planner. Research. Research. It's so important whether you're hiring a travel professional like myself or you're planning it yourself. Having all of the research you need here, from accommodations, transportation, and even your activities, you can research this, plan it out in advance so that while you're on your trip, you can just relax and enjoy yourself. Next up, of course, after you research, you want to start booking those reservations. So looking at all the notes from your research, whether it was 4-star, 5-star, how much was the budget? What was those key features and benefits you like that you're checking off in that research? Well, now it's time to narrow it down in your actual reservations. Same areas, accommodations, transportation, activities, and then we have a notes section. So anything you want to make sure you're keeping note of that's key to your reservations, you can place it here. Under transportation, just also keep in mind, this is not just sticking to, you traveling by plane. We also have if you're going by charter, if you're going by boat, if you're going even, just by your standard car for road trips. It is all here for you in our transportation. Accommodations, whether you're staying in a resort, you're staying in a vacation rental, you can map it all out here. Even if you're hopping around, we made this so convenient for those of you that love to island hop. You love if you're in Europe and you're backpacking, you can track all of those different accommodations, all those different transfers right here in this one planner. Outside of that, we have the checklist. Checklists are key when traveling. Love to share these with our clients and want to make sure we get it to you all as well. You have your planning checklist to make sure that you're planning everything out that you need to think of when you're traveling and that nothing is missed along the way. We have your pre-travel checklist, and we also have your packing checklist. That way, if you need to enroll in the Smart Travel Enrollment Program, which we always recommend, whether it's just insurance, making sure that the dog sitter has your information, emergency contacts, all of that is going to be covered in your checklist, and of course, your contact information. How can people reach you? Your insurance information, so on and so forth. If you lose this, or if your friends are with you and they don't know what to do in case of an emergency, they can get all that information in your contact list, any medications that you're needing to pack, any health considerations, so on and so forth, doctor's information. It is all here in your contact information. Last but not least, the calendar. You got everything mapped out, you got your checklist, you're all packed up. Well, how are you going to plan it out? How are you going to stay organized and know your agenda? So we do have your trip countdown calendar to help you count down to your trip and then that agenda. So you know what you're doing every single day. From your dinner arrangements, if you're going to do a private dinner on a beach, or if you're going to go out and you're going to do a show, if you're going to the luau, so on and so forth. It is all here in your agenda every single day. You can map out those tours, accommodations that may switch, transfers, everything. You want to make special notes of some of those, like, oh, this was an amazing dinner, I want to experience it again. You'll be able to do that right here as well. And then last, I know I mentioned was a calendar. Just reminding you once again, we do have those additional planners in here, trip 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is a look at the inside of our travel planner. We truly hope that you enjoy your experience with our planner. We want to hear about it. Let us know how you're using it. Keep us posted. More videos to come soon from other destinations showing you what's inside the planner and just sharing more details about how you can travel with Flight Club VIP and take advantage of the additions we have. I know I shared those stickers for you with you. I shared the pin here, and I don't know if you noticed this in the background, but we actually have our Dream Without Limits mug. Yes, I travel with my mug. It's beautiful. It reminds me of the ocean with the beautiful colors. I have my stirring spoon, and I do have also a lid to put on top. But of course, I have the lid off since I have a little something inside of here, and I am sipping right now. But yeah, take advantage of our amazing bundles we have where you can buy all of these items packaged together to get low pricing. If you don't need all that, no worries. You can purchase everything a la carte. We do have our hardback versions of our stickers in our planner. And of course, we have digital versions as well that are editable. So you can take those digital stickers, map it out in your planner. You can text everything. If you're a bad handwriter or you just don't like to carry anything with you, we've got you covered with good notes, note shelves, some of those editable platforms for whether it's an iPad or you're using another tablet like an Android version, you are good to go here. But look forward to talking with you guys more. Stay tuned for more to come, and thanks for tuning in. And we hope that you continue to dream without limits.